Good day, YouTubers, and all our fans that are interested in virtual ads and CVs. We are going to show you today the virtual ad examples for how to sell anything you want to sell on our YouTube channel. You make the video, 60 seconds. You send it to us and then we post it on YouTube. I edit it, I post it on YouTube, I send you the link. You send the link to all your potential buyers. You advertise it on Facebook, and you can even email it to potential buyers. The advantage of this is you can show yourself in your little infomercial, your virtual ad. You can show yourself, and then the people can see who they are doing business with. That's a plus point. And then you can also show the item that you're selling is working. That's the main thing. Okay, so we're going to start with the first example for selling one of your items, and we're going to use our kettle. It's a very expensive kettle. Because it's actually not for sale, it's just for example, just to clear that up for all the idiots out there. But anyway, let's start. Good day, I am Rudy Jager. I am selling my kettle. This is a Otimo kettle, electric kettle, and I am asking 1,000 Rand for this kettle. You can contact me on the numbers below. And let me show you that the kettle works. As you can see, the kettle is working. I want 1,000 Rand for the kettle. You can contact me on the details below. And let's do some business. Okay. So this is the first example of how you can sell your kettle or your item, anything that you want to sell. And then always look at the lighting, and the location must be clean, and you must be presentable, and you must do it in 60 seconds or 3 minutes tops. So we're gonna, but some of you will say, but I am shy. So I will show you 2 ways to advertise your kettle without being shy. The first one is going to be creative. Hi, I am selling my kettle. This is a Otimo kettle, and it is electric. I want 1,000 Rand for my kettle. You can contact me on the details below. I will show you the kettle is working. As you can see, the kettle is in working order, so you can contact me on the details below so we can do a deal. Hi, I am Rudy Jager. I am selling my kettle. It's a Otimo kettle. It's electric, and I want 1,000 Rand for this kettle. It's still in working order, as I will show you. As you can see, the kettle is in working order, and like I said, my price is 1,000 Rand. Contact the details below so we can make a deal. Thank you. That's how you can advertise your kettle. You can do it a creative way. If you're shy, you can wear a mask, and like I did, or you can not be in the video. I would suggest that you show yourself in the video so that the people can know who they're doing business with. That is one of the essential points of business, is to know and see who you are doing business with. Makes you more trustworthy and could give you better success rate in selling your item on virtual ads. So, like we said, you must look at your lighting, your location, and yourself. Are you presentable? The other thing is, you must remember is that video can be edited, stopped, and you don't need to do the first take perfect. You can do it in little clips and just add the clips, or send it to me. I'll add it for you and edit it for you. Don't add any copyright music, as YouTube will strike you, and there is lots of non-copyright music out there. I have added some non-copyright music in one of the ads, so in the background, so you can see the example. But this is the examples of how to do a virtual ad. Free examples, free ways to do it. So send your ads, we can put it on our YouTube channel, the Bat and Cat Virtual Market. You send the video, I edit it, we put it on the channel, I send you the link, you send it to your clients, or you advertise it so that you can sell your stuff much quicker and easier. So I hope we will do business soon. Thank you.